What's up, my folks? Hogside San Ho TV. Today we're gonna do this weather strip right here on the 4-door 69 Impala. So I wanted to show you actually what I actually received. This is shout out to Classic Chevys. So Valencia, California. So these are the parts. These parts are actually for these are quarter window seals with the steel insert. These are for 68 through 72 Cutlass. Let's see if you can see that. So what these are is these. I know you guys seen these before, but these are the window strips. You can see that. So this is how you guys do this. So I want to show you. So this right here is gonna have to come off. These are usually glued in on the back side of these through the window. Mine's pretty old. I'm only going to do one side and show you guys. I'll do the other one, on my other time because I got to unglue it. So I'm going to show you right now how to do this. So check it out. So you pull these off just like that. They do come out. They're all channeled for the window. You can see that. So I'm going to show you guys how to pull this off. So there's a little groove here at the top. I don't know if you guys can see right here at the top. This is the top. You don't pull this out through there. You're actually going to pull it down through the bottom, so go that way. There's a slot at the bottom. It's kind of like a windshield wiper. You kind of just pull it out. I don't know if you guys can see that too good, but just pull it out. Then it's an empty channel, nice and, beautiful chrome. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this in now. So, like I said, this is the weather strip here. Try to get it for you here. And all you do is you go from the top up here. There is a little channel at the top. You guys can see that. Let's try to get to focus for you guys. So like I said, it's pretty much just like a wiper blade. You can see that little groove right there. So this is how you put it in. I'm going to show you right now. Okay. So, like I said, top has the little notch on it right here at the top. You see that? That's the top. It's sealed right there. It's bent over and locked, and then you can see how it's kind of glued right there. So the bottom is like the windshield wiper. You can see that right there, the little groove. So this is how it goes in. Just pretty much just slide it right in here. Just like a windshield wiper, like I told you. Slide it in. Slowly finesse it in there because, you want to go in just right. You know what I mean? Just kidding, you guys. So pretty much just, kind of went too high right there. But just get it to go right there at the top. You don't need to go any further. And pretty much, I got this extra here, but I'm not worried about it. It's going to go into the door anyway, so I'm going to show you what the finished product looks like. So all we have to do is just put this on now. So you see that's nice and beautiful. So that's pretty much it on this. So then, like I said, I already did the weather stripping all up here at the top. I did it all the way front to back. But that's pretty much it, you guys. And I'm going to show you the end result right now. Let's shut the door. So see, that's nice and beautiful, nice and sealed. Perfect here. I just got to glue it back in, glue it on the back side just to make sure it stays. So that's pretty much it, you guys. So I'll talk to you later. Like I said, give them a try. Now remember, mine's a 69 Impala 4-door hardtop. Not the sedan, it's a sedan hardtop. So there's no divider here. This is the divider. So give these guys a try if you like. I recommend them. They save, my car from getting wet millions of times with their products. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Hogside San Ho TV.